Hi, you're welcome to another episode of Ask the Trichologist. And I'm very excited to be bringing Ask the Trichologist to you once again. Ask the Trichologist is that program basically where we answer all your high level hair and scalp questions. When it comes to hair issues, when it comes to scalp issues, we got you covered. My name is Atilola and I am the certified trichologist at African Naturalistas Hair Clinic. African Naturalistas is your one-stop center for all your hair and scalp needs. Whether you're looking for hair products, we have hair clinics, we have hair regimens, we have memberships in terms of the Good Hair Tribe. We have everything that you need when it comes to your hair and scalp. So all I want you to do is just look into the description box below and see how we can help you to solve your hair and scalp issues, whether it's hair loss, scalp disorders, or just general hair maintenance. And if you have any questions for us at Ask the Trichologist, you can always send an email to att@africannaturalistas.com or ask your questions in the comment section below. But before we go on to today's topic, you know what you need to do? You need to like this video, you need to share this video, you need to click on the notification bell, you need to subscribe, and you need to comment, right? I'm going to read those 5 for you again at the end of the video. But right now, before you go on, subscribe, because no one does it better than us when it comes to answering your hair and scalp questions. So today I'm going to be taking a topic from Tonya. So today I'm going to be taking a question from Tonya. Tonya is asking, "Hi Atilola, please can you be honest with me? Let me know, does using Dermarollers really help you restore your hair when you have lost hair?" Wow. Thank you, Tonya, for that question. It is a very important question, and it is something that many people have asked me in times past. And the question is, does Dermaroller really help you grow your hair? Do you see some level of hair growth when you use Dermarollers? Of course, Dermaroller works. I'm going to tell you the truth. The truth is that Dermaroller works, and we use Dermarollers at our hair clinic. No, we don't use Dermarollers. We actually give Dermarollers to our clients as home appliances to restore their hair at the hair clinic. How soon does Dermaroller work? How fast will it work? It all depends on several factors. Of course, I can lose my hair and then use Dermaroller, and it works for me in 6 months to restore my hair fully. And then another person uses it and it takes 1 year, and somebody else uses it and it takes them just about a month. The truth is that the speed at which Dermaroller will help you restore your hair is different for everybody, and it all depends on the extent of hair loss. So for people that don't know what Dermarollers are, I'm just going to show you right here in this video. You can see somewhere here in this video, I don't have our own Dermarollers with us. They are at the hair clinic, and I'm shooting my video somewhere else right now, but we use Dermarollers all the time. In fact, let me show you 2 cases of people that we have used Dermarollers for. Like one of this lady here, she used just Dermaroller. She's our client, she's a virtual client of ours, and we sent the Dermarollers straight to her. She stays in this country, but she's an expatriate that works in other countries. So we had to send the whole package to her in the country where she was. It wasn't just Dermaroller. We sent her Dermaroller with products and everything and regimen, and we sent it to her. And this was our hair growth journey in this space of time. And then for this other lady, she was coming to the hair clinic, and then she also had a Dermaroller that we gave to her. And then with the aid of Dermaroller microneedling, this is how she was able to grow her hair. And we just worked with her, for a short while. We didn't have all the time in the world to work with her. So Dermaroller, we have used it for our clients, or we have given it to our clients to work with. And how does it work? It basically just creates like injuries, right? Micro injuries, right, in the area of hair loss. And then at the point where the hair, the skin, the scalp has to heal, it agitates the follicle. If I could use that word, it agitates the follicle. It boosts the blood supply in that area, and then it makes the hair grow faster. So it has been scientifically proven over and over and over again to work. However, I must sound a note of warning. If you have experienced scarring in the area of hair loss, then you will not be able to experience the degree of hair recovery that you want to, because that area probably is permanently scarred. There's a scar tissue underneath your scalp, and then you might not be able to see that hair growth. So it will work for you as long as there is no scarring, right, in that area. If that area has been scarred, meaning like it's like what do they call it? It's like skin, like plain skin, like nothing, like there was no hair follicle there at all, then you might not be experiencing the hair growth you need. I'll put a picture of a scarred scalp somewhere here so you can see what a scarred scalp looks like. But of course, you know that if you have questions for us, if you want to see us at the hair clinic, if you want to book virtual consultations, physical consultations and everything, we got you covered at African Naturalistas Hair Clinic. All you need to do is just check the description box below, right, to see how exactly we can help you. So what I'll be doing for you right now is that I am going to be giving you free Dermarollers. Yes. You came in at the right time. I am giving you free Dermarollers. I have partnered with the guys at HairGuard, right, to give you free Dermarollers, but it's not forever, right? It's limited supply. All you need to do is click the link below in the description box below to get your free Dermaroller. I have something else for you from HairGuard, but I'll talk about that in another video, not now. But right now, I'm giving you free Dermarollers as long as you are in United States, Europe, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. You can get the Dermaroller for free. All you need to do is just to pay the shipping cost. It goes for $37.95 US, but you're going to be getting it for free. So don't say I didn't do anything for you. If you are suffering from hair loss issues and you need a free Dermaroller or just a little issue here, a little issue there, then I will put the link which you can get the Dermaroller for free in the description box below and get your Dermaroller. Trust me, it works. And the one they are giving you is the one with titanium needles, so it's not going to break, it's not going to spoil, it's not going to rust. It's just going to work with your scalp very well. Quality Dermarollers. All right, so that's it. I think I've done something great for you right now. I just want you to before you go, I want you to click the subscribe button. I want you to click on the notification bell. I want you to click the like button. I want you to ask your comments in the comment section, and I want you to click the share button, right? People need to see what we are talking about in this place at the Trichologist. You know we got you covered in every area, right? When it comes to hair and scalp. If you have questions, send an email to att@africannaturalistas.com or ask in the comment section below, and we will get to your questions. Bye.